Hey, what's up guys? I'm headed to this abandoned Walmart and the security is outside right now. So, I don't know. I'm about to see if he'll let me get some footage of this place.
Technically, no one's supposed to be on the property.
Okay.
We can't stop people from GPS leading them here, things like that. So there is a period of time that, you know, there's kind of a gap that I guess we would have to allow. I would say that you have to do it from a distance.
Okay.
Pictures from a distance. I probably would give you like 10 to 15 minutes at the most.
Okay.
I'm going to let you approach any rear pictures from the rear or anything like that because no one's allowed back there.
Okay.
So that's all I can say.
Where would you say?
Probably in the parking lot area. I wouldn't, you know, get beyond the kind of the barriers.
Okay.
The yellow barriers, you know, try to stay behind the yellow barriers.
All right.
You know.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yep.
All right. Have a good one.
You too.
I guess I can't approach this Walmart because he said I have to do it from a distance. But yeah, here's the Walmart right here. It's the only Walmart Supercenter that closed in 2017 or 16. I'll have that information, like the exact information for you when I post a video. But yeah, this is what it looks like. The amount of abandonment here is absolutely insane. But I'm going to show you that here in just a second. Okay, this is where the Target was that they closed down and demolished, and this is the other stores that remain. It's absolutely insane. And there's a bank right here, IHOP straight ahead, and the abandoned Applebee's right next to the bank. Any idea what this place was with the checkerboard floor? All right, everyone, this is the grocery store, and for some reason, the lights are still on inside of here. Now, I can't get a good look inside because of the tint on the windows, but I'm gonna try to, if you can see, there's like a water bottle right here. For some reason my lens isn't focusing. It's like trying to focus on the window pane, but oh my gosh. Yeah, there's like wrapped up pallets of stuff inside. Hold on guys, I'm gonna try to get a better look. That is crazy. I mean, it's just sitting in there, just wrapped up in pallets. I mean, I see there's like water bottles with, it looked like somebody peed in the water bottle. But yeah, that's crazy. So obviously someone has been in there. I can almost smell like the mildew coming from inside of this place. Man, this is weird. I wonder what's going on in there. Let's see if I can get you guys an even better look. Yeah, that is crazy. Yeah, I really wonder what's going on inside of there. All right, guys, how does this look? It's almost has a natural vignette around it, but yeah, that is crazy. Yeah, I really wonder what's going on inside of there.